Honorable international juries, founder of the Global Unitalks Worldwide Global Unitalks family, speakers, live audiences, ladies and gentlemen. I am Speaker X. Today I'm here to share my thoughts on a topic which I think has different interpretations for different people. The truth is simple. What is truth? The body of real things, events and facts. It is actuality. If I tell you the truth, you wouldn't love me anymore. This thought had driven me for a long time. It still does, to some extent. The thought was like a blood-sucking parasite sucking the blood out of me, my brain, my mind, and it wouldn't let go. What remains hidden from our vision is the fact that it is not always easy to determine whether a truth is simple or not so simple. The determination depends on more than one factor. You see, all truths are not simple. Truth can be both simple and difficult. It depends on the context of the truth itself and who is on the recipient end of it. Two great minds had given us some thoughtful insights on truth. The truth is rarely pure and never simple by Oscar Wilde, and the truth is simple. If it was complicated, everyone would understand it by Walt Whitman. For example, let's say your sibling had been gravely injured in a road accident, and there is as much chance that she or he will survive as there is that she or he will lose the battle. Telling this bitter truth to a stranger may be difficult on your part because it is your own sibling fighting for life, but it may be easier for the stranger to take in as she never knew your sibling personally. Similarly, this truth may be more difficult to take in by your mother than it was for you because it's her own child whom she carried inside her for 9 long months and raised with all the love and care she could provide. My point is, it depends on whether the truth is about and who is listening to it, which determines whether it is simple or difficult. As Euripides once said, the language of truth is simple, but that's not so always for the truth itself. Life is simple. We wake up, we eat food, we talk to a few people, we work, we go to bed. The truth is not always simple. The truth is, we are all dying at different paces. We wish for dreams that will never come to be. We want forgiveness and absolution for decisions we never should have made in the way we did. The truth is simple in a macro perspective depending on what you and I believe. Truth is simple when it is not left up to interpretation. Things get difficult and more complex when we try to interpret them because no two people have the same perspective. And it is very difficult feat to look at truth devoid of all our beliefs and perspectives because we are humans. We are far from perfect. When we are close to the truth, we know it is messy. It is only simpler in one respect, that telling a convincing lie exponentially increases the complexity because the fiction has to knit with the complexity of reality. At the end of the day, whether the truth is simple or not comes down to this: how we see the world and everything associated with it. Thank you, everyone.